In this video tutorial we are going to take a look at WordPress Jetpack dashboard, step by step. So let's get started. So from your WordPress dashboard, select Dashboard from Jetpack. Here we have recommended premium product which includes powerful security, performance and marketing. You can learn more about it from here. Then you can enable or install these recommendations from here. Let's select Plan from top. Here you can see its premium plan. Going back, select at a glance from top. Here first you can see site stats, then security options, performance, connections, etc. Then go to settings. Here we have security, performance, writing, sharing, discussion, traffic. Then we have site stats option. Click on it. Here scroll a bit and you can see that your site has been registered and now they are tracking your stats. Let's go back to the dashboard. So this is all about Jetpack dashboard. Thank you for watching.